All right. Hey, everyone. Taylor here from Foundy. And today I am excited to show you how to use our new automated follow-up remarketing audiences. Okay, so what you're seeing here, of course, is at our ad reporting view. I'm going to click on this campaign. This is a campaign that I've already ran, so I'm just going to use this as an example. So I know you see up here that it's named auto remarketing, but you can see just under that, it's actually a prospecting campaign. This was the first of two campaigns. I just named this one the wrong name, and I can't edit it now that the campaign is finished. So imagine this is your prospecting campaign. Maybe you have a new single that just released. And in this example, I'm using some of my own music. You'll see the banner down here. It's just a basic banner of the song. What I had targeting wise was our Americana list and a custom list that I put together. But as you scroll down, you'll see this addressable audience. We're going to come back to this in a moment. This is actually where you'll enable that new remarketing audience, but really want to quickly show you the results. $1.22 CPM, 95 cents CPC. You can see this was just a small sample size example. It only spent $25. I cut it off. Really just want to show you the results and how this can work and actually scale if you do spend more budget, which I plan to do at some point in time. But for right now, you'll see some of the targeting and domain placements we were getting on this campaign was Enemy, Paste Magazine, New York Times, Discogs. These are really quality premium impressions. You can see some clicks were happening there as well. And again, these came in at $1.22 CPM, really low CPM for those premium outlets. As you can see in our cost comparison here, you're getting great results. Now, what's really cool about this is you can see there was if we look at the total impressions here, there was about 21,000 impressions that took place from this campaign. Now, this impression-based audience, they're not always going to match up perfectly. It's just the reality of the world we live in with digital marketing that some people opt out of tracking, and that means they're not going to be falling into some of these remarketing audiences. So what you're seeing here is this impression audience. There's 11,965 people of those 20,000 impressions that the ad was served to were accessible in the opportunity to remarket to them. So now what's really cool about this is people don't have to have, these are people that the ad was served to on these premium outlets. They don't necessarily, that doesn't mean they engaged or clicked on it. That just means that they likely saw it because it was served on whatever website they were on. So now what's really cool about this is you hover over this, when you click this button, pulls up a new ad campaign for you. As you can see under segment targeting, you're already going to have this populated segment in here, auto remarketing. It's pulling that audience from that campaign that we were just looking at. Really cool stuff here, y'all. So from there, you'll put your campaign name in, basically build your campaign just like you would any other one, and then publish it. Now, let me jump back into our reporting area. And this next campaign we're going to look at is actually the auto remarketing follow-on. So as you can see here now, when I zoom in, this says remarketing. This is this 26,900. That's the campaign we're looking at. As we scroll down, let me shut that out. There we go. So now you'll see it served 6,000 impressions, had 23 clicks, still a really solid CPM, solid CPC. And you can see that the click-through rate on this one was pretty good too. So of course, you'll see that some of these domains are still going to be premium. That means that people that saw the ad the first time likely came back to Enemy on that following run, and it got served to them again because we're trying to reach those people. But now what's really cool is you're seeing it's also happening on Yahoo, on Weather, Daily Mail, NY Post, these sites, MSN, that were not originally included in that premium targeting. So as a reminder, what we did, we took this first campaign, this banners 26755, from the 15th to the 19th. You can see, let me zoom in a little bit here. You can see that spend happened $25. You can see the impressions and the clicks, right? Now look at the remarketing campaign. This was targeting everybody that saw this previous ad that we could get in that audience. Started on the 23rd, only spent a little over half the budget from that compared to the first campaign of $14. Now look at the number of clicks, 26 clicks versus 27 on the first campaign. And I had roughly this, half the spend for the same amount of clicks. And look at that click-through rate. So it almost doubled. So what you're seeing is that by showing these people, you reach them the first time on premium outlets, and then you follow on and kind of follow them around the web, they're more likely to engage and do that at a higher rate and all the way through the potential conversion process of becoming your fan or buying that ticket that you're trying to sell to them. So It's a really cool, easy way to do it. You no longer have to have those big brand budgets to do something and activate something like this in your marketing strategy. So I hope you find it valuable, and hope you get some good use out of it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and let me know. Otherwise, happy marketing and have a great, wonderful rest of your day.